Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen not responding to touches on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and you will see touch sensitivity is here. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure enable touch sensitivity. After enable touch sensitivity, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.